Hey friends, this is Aldrish and welcome back to my channel Hued Mood. So in today's video I will show you the most toughest pattern lock of any Android device. So if anybody wants to unlock your phone or unlock your device, it will take ages for them just to figure out the exact match. So this video is going to be helpful for you. So watch it till the end, and without further delay, let's get into it. So friends, now I will show you the most toughest pattern of any smartphone device, that is the star lock pattern. So let's see how we can do it. So as you can see, I have done the star lock pattern and it's really simple. So friends, what you need is just practice. Just practice this pattern so that you can do it very fast. So friends, hope you like this video, and if you like this video, just let me know in the comment section below, and like, share, subscribe. So we'll catch up in my next video. Till then, bye.